When will the bus leave? How long does it take to reach Peshawar? My car broke down. At what time is our flight? Can you tell me the way to Peshawar? How far is Peshawar from Lahore? I will be going to the Bajor area this winter. Have you been to this hotel before? This is my dream place. Look at the beautiful mountain. Can we stay here a little longer? I have something to eat. What is the departure time? It's only 10 minutes walk. For how long the bus stop here? This is my seat, can you please get up? What did you got for the breakfast? Can we stop somewhere? I need to go to washroom. Maybe the car is very fast going. Carefully sit down my seat.